Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Apple ID in App Store. So guys, when you have opened your App Store and want to download or update any app and facing this type of issue that is verification required, tap continue and sign in to view billing information. So guys, have this type of problem, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to go back and guys open your Apple ID here. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on sign in and security. And guys, after this, you need to turn on your two-factor authentication from here, as you can see. So guys, here you need to add any phone number, then you need to turn on your two-factor authentication. Guys, you will got OTP on your phone number, and guys you need to enter that OTP here, and guys your two-factor authentication will be on. And guys, after this, simply you need to scroll it down. Here is the option that is automatic verification. So guys, you need to turn on this as well. And after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, simply you need to click on payment and shipping. And guys, here you need to check that you have added any payment method or not. So guys, if you have already added any payment method, then guys you need to delete that payment method. And guys, after deleting, you need to add new payment method here. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.